Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are at number 24 Elmwood West in Whitstable. This property is wonderful. It's a detached property and it comes with 4 bedrooms. Now, the ground floor reception space here is absolutely fantastic, and we've come straight into the lounge area here, and you get a little glimpse there of the garden that you've got on offer here. Really nice length, works out at about 70 feet in length, but the lounge area here is lovely. It's got a nice, clean, decorative state to it, and of course it offers you something that's just ready to go, ready to move straight into. So like you can see, it's a wonderful space. Measures about 21.7 by 10.5, so a really generous space here for the lounge. The entrance hall here, you can see you've got that lovely glass and wood balustrade there leading upstairs. Just a really nice, wonderful, clean and contemporary look that we have here. So of course on the ground level we do have a downstairs cloakroom, which as you can see is again finished to that really nice modern, clean and contemporary standard. So you can see you've got of course the towel rail and the integrated sink and toilet unit there as well. So let's go through and take a look at the kitchen, and the kitchen space here is wonderful. You've got again that nice clean modern feel here, and you've got the window there just to the side and the side access through the door there as well. So of course it comes with a range of fitted appliances here, but that really nice white gloss finish here in this kitchen just goes a nice long way to giving that nice feel of quality throughout the space. So coming back through the hallway, we've also got the second reception room here on the ground level, which is a really nice sized dining room. And again, it's a wonderful space, and you can use this either as a dining room or as a second lounge or sitting room, downstairs bedroom if you wanted to. It's completely up to you. It's got a nice versatile layout. You've got that nice big open window there just looking over the front of the property and onto the road. It's just a really nice space. So we'll go upstairs and take a look at the 4 bedrooms and the family bathroom that we have on offer there. So we've already had a look at the family bathroom, and just coming through here we can see now that this bedroom number 4 makes for a really nice study space, because you've got that lovely big window there just overlooking the front. It's a really nice size room this, and of course the lovely thing about it is you've got the space for that home study, or perhaps for the 4th bedroom, up to you as to how you use it. But coming through now into the master bedroom, you'll see you've got the fitted wardrobes there, and you've got that lovely big window, and you've also got the ensuite shower room here as well. So we'll just go and take a quick look in there, take a good look at the shower room, and then we'll go through and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. So here we are now in bedroom number 2. Again, really nice size, certainly a double size room. And again, you've got another window just overlooking the rear garden there. Beautiful rear garden. So again, this room decorated really nicely, lovely and clean, lovely and modern, really nice space. And what's quite nice about this room here is you can have it either as bedroom number 2, but it would make for a really nice master size bedroom if you're not too fussed about having the ensuite shower room there. So really nice size room, certainly a double, measures about 10.6 by 10.2, so really good size room there. So what we'll do, we'll come back out onto the landing. You can see how nice and light and bright and airy this landing space is, especially with that glass and wood balustrade staircase there. And we'll come through and take a look at bedroom number 3. So of course with this bedroom we've got that little storage cupboard there in the corner, but you've got that lovely big window just overlooking the front of the property. Really nice size room this again. So now we've got a few moments to have a good look at the rear garden and just run through a few key points with this one. So of course it's a detached family home, and you've got the really good ground floor layout here, as well as you've got the garage and the off-road parking here as well. Location wise, you can't beat being in Elmwood Close. It's a really nice tucked away position, so please do give us a call for a bit more information.